Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's 4th of July Eve, if you will, on this third day of July, and more intense heat. I have massaged the forecast a little bit. I think we may stay just below the level where the National Weather Service would issue a heat advisory. We may stay just slightly below that level. Also, I'm a little bit more optimistic on the number of storms that'll be on the radar today and tomorrow. I think some towns will get lucky, but there will be some big storms because of the intense heat. You follow me? This kind of intense heat will breed some storms with gusty winds and a lot of lightning and some very heavy rainfall as well. All right, enough of an intro. Let's get into the details as we take you through the holiday weekend. Here we go.
There are no storm systems approaching on the map this morning. Just afternoon heating will be in control of those scattered thunderstorms which will develop. Meanwhile, high pressure in control at the surface and also in the upper atmosphere. Another one of those heat domes, at least for the next couple of days before it flattens out over the weekend. And like yesterday, heat indices will be well into triple digits again, perhaps close to the 105 danger range in central and south Alabama. And that will allow some intense storms to develop as well in this kind of heat. Not every town will get one. In fact, many towns will be skipped, but there could be quite a show with a few of those stronger storms with this intense heat. So I've got a 30% chance of storms in, 97 the high today, triple-digit heat indices, the low tonight down to about 76, and another very hot day on the 4th of July. Watch out for lightning. That's the day when lightning deaths peak because so many people are out and about. And heat indices again, well, looks like today, right? Triple-digit heat indices up to about 105 in some places. And then we're looking ahead to Friday. Still hot, but I think the number of showers will start to increase as we go towards the weekend, as that big high in the upper atmosphere flattens out. So maybe some scattered storms across the area on Saturday. It looks like a lot on that map, but I've got the rain chances closer to 40% and still mid-90s and 40% chance of thunderstorms on Sunday. So maybe some towns will get some much-needed rain. Not much change in the overall pattern on Monday, although I think our temperatures, will start to flatten out a little bit, maybe only in the low to mid-90s by then. We're looking at 96 tomorrow and 96 on Friday and still mid-90s over the upcoming weekend. Lows at night in the very steamy mid-70s. But look at the rain chances. I've got them up a bit. 40% Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Beach forecast calling for relatively small rain chances south of I-10 on Wednesday, today, and tomorrow. And then a little bit better chance over the upcoming weekend with high temperatures right around 90 and the water temperature now 87. Watch the flags on the beach for rip currents. Meanwhile, we're looking at the Atlantic, the Caribbean, and the Gulf of Mexico. Things are relatively quiet right now. A couple of tropical wave flare-offs between Africa and the islands. Otherwise, the rest of the tropics look pretty quiet. Hey, you can stay on top of where the storms are over the next few days with our weather app. It has advanced interactive radar, and you can see where the storms are now and where they're going to be, plus any push notifications for severe weather alerts. Get it on your phone or tablet now. Go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather.
All right, so no video tomorrow on the 4th of July, but all through the 4th of July weekend, I'll get up early in the morning and write a blog update for you to keep you up to date. Stay hydrated. Watch out for lightning. Keep in mind that lightning deaths peak on the 4th of July weekend. That's just a statistical reality. We'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg, Jay, Emily, and then live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 at 5:50 and 6:40 in the morning. And that's about it. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations right on through the holiday weekend. I don't stop working. Have a great weekend. Enjoy yourself. Be careful. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.